How to set password for apps on your Android. Let me show you how you can set passwords for your apps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, scroll down and tap Biometrics and Security. Next, tap Secure Folder. If you're setting it up for the first time, sign into your Samsung account if prompted, then follow the on-screen instructions to create your PIN, password, or pattern. You can also enable fingerprint unlocking if your phone supports it. Once the setup is complete, open the Secure folder from your app screen. Now, tap the Add Apps option and select the apps you want to protect. These apps will be added as secure copies inside the Secure folder. From now on, whenever someone tries to open those apps inside the Secure folder, they'll need to enter your password or use your fingerprint to access them. And that's it. You've successfully protected your apps on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and Android how-to tutorials.